How to add page borders in Microsoft Word. First, go to the Design tab. In the Page Background group, click Page Borders. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, make sure you are on the Page Border tab. Under Setting, choose the type of border you want. You can select options such as Box, Shadow, 3D, or Custom. Next, customize the border by choosing a style, color, and width. You can see a preview of your border on the right side. If you don't want the border on every side, simply click the corresponding side in the preview to remove it. Word also provides an Art option, which allows you to create a more decorative border using different designs. Now, choose where you want to apply the border from the Apply To drop-down menu. You can apply it to the whole document, this section, first page only, or this section, all except first page. For this example, we'll select Whole Document and click OK.
And that's it. Now you know how to add and customize page borders in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.